Word number 1 is going to be blip. I heard a blip. Yo escuché un pitido. Number 2 is going to be misstatement. And an example would be, it was a misstatement. Fue una declaración errónea. Number 3 is going to be log. An example is fill out the log. En español diríamos llene el registro. Registro. Number 4. Naked eye. What am I talking about? ¿Qué quiero decir? Too small for the naked eye is an example. Muy pequeño a simple vista. Number 5. Let's talk about a chart. The chart on my presentation. ¿A qué me refiero? A la gráfica en mi presentación. Number 6. Let's talk about a roadmap. What kind of roadmap? A figurative one, where we say something like the roadmap for the future. Estamos hablando de la hoja de ruta para el futuro. Number 7. Misled. If I say, don't be misled, I'm trying to say, no se dejen engañar. Number 8 is going to be demeanor. An example is, her demeanor concerns me. ¿Qué quiero decir? Su comportamiento me preocupa. Number 9. Vile. V-I-A-L. We're saying it came in a vial. It's pretty straightforward. It's the same. Vino en un vial. You could also hear something like ampolla, but that would be more of an ample. I would guess a medical professional would understand either one. And last but not least is a tracksuit. Let me fix it up here a little bit. All right, tracksuit. What am I saying? I went out in a tracksuit. Many different ways to say it. Hay muchas maneras de decirlo. One of them could be, yo salí con chandal puesto. Let me see. There we go. Chandal puesto. Or you can also say con traje de ejercicio. And that is 10 por 10.